Hey, yeah, I'm getting very strong winds right now. I'd say they are out of the southwest, probably 40 to 50 miles per hour. A couple gusts maybe pushing higher than that, but I'd say 40 to 50 right now. Street signs are starting kind of rocking around pretty good with the wind. The rain is just really coming down. The area of circulation that I was watching earlier looked like it passed just north of here, maybe 3 miles or so, and that just kind of, with the road network, put me in a position it was best just to go ahead and bury my vehicle from the hail at this point. Oh gosh, sorry, that was a big hailstone that just hit my car. And there goes the power as well. Power's out. That was a big hailstone. I haven't had a visual on one in front of me yet, but the one that just hit the back of me was, here comes some insane winds. Yeah, we're really getting some big time wind all of a sudden now too. Yeah, it's just north of me. My car is actually rocking. You can hear the whistle of the wind. Get the window down just to touch it. You can hear really what it sounds like. Wow. I've got wind gusting 60 to. Yeah, I can tell it's just east of me. I've got a strong northwest push right now. So let's start getting, there goes, oh my gosh, that's a softball at least that just fell out of the ground. That's a massive hailstone. There it is. That's a huge, that's almost the size of it's bigger than a baseball. Wow. And now I've got a strong northerly wind that's blowing right at me. So, gosh. Yeah, that's at least a 3-inch hailstone, if not bigger, that fell over there. I'm looking out yeah, I've got substantial amount of golf ball size hail falling.